I got it. It's the Galaxy S10. Look at that. That's very cool, right? Okay, so by the title of this video, you pretty much know what you're going to get. We're just talking about downloading the Galaxy S10's official wallpapers. If that's what you want to have on your Galaxy S9, which I must tell you, looks pretty darn good, well, this is the video for you. Let's do this. So the Galaxy S10 comes with a whole bunch of really cool features, but one thing that's really stood out for me was the wallpapers. I mean, they look really cool on that beautiful screen, but you can actually get the same wallpaper, the official wallpaper, thanks to XDA developers who managed to get their hands on it and made it available for the rest of us. So let me show you how you can get it on your phone.
So firstly, fire up your browser. Go to the XDA developer. Link will be, of course, in the description below. Scroll down and you're going to see all the thumbnail images, but the one you're looking for is this orange button. Click on that. Now that's going to take you to the download page. Click on the green button this time, and now it's going to select which server is closest to you. Now I'm in the US, so I selected the primary one, but of course choose one. If you're in Europe, choose one of the other ones, and there it is. It's going to start downloading. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Not really. So you go scroll down from the top, and there's the download progress. Let's just watch it download.
A few moments later.
And a few moments later, it is downloaded. Right, now, tap on it. It will open it up. It will all be already selected. All you're going to do is click the extract button, which is at the bottom of the screen, and it'll extract all the images into your gallery. Right, I'm running the Samsung One UI, so I swipe up because I like it like that. Go into the gallery and ta-da! There are all your images from the Galaxy S10. Choose the one you want, 3 little dots, set as wallpaper, set it to where you want, like the home screen and the lock screen. Click the button saying set as wallpaper, and there we go. Now it's done. Let me show you what that looks like. Looks pretty cool, right? So you're walking around with the Galaxy S9, but it looks like you got the S10 already. Okay, let's choose another one. Yeah, the green one. Let's go back to the green one. 3 little dots, set as wallpaper, lock screen and home screen. Tap on set as wallpaper, and there we go. And in fact, let me just show you what it looks like on the lock screen as well. I think it looks pretty darn good, right? Okay, so if you're looking for other cool Galaxy S10 stuff, click on the playlist. You'll see a whole bunch of other things, especially on the Note 9 and the S9. There's a whole bunch of tutorials about that. We'll get you more information on the Galaxy S10 as we get our hands on it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. If you're new here, this is the kind of cool stuff we do on a regular basis. Hit the head to subscribe. Would love to have you. Check out some of these other cool videos, and I'll see you on the next episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy, because that's tech simple. Cheers for now.